Let me tell you 3 reasons why most of the students are failing ACCA Management Accounting exam in the knowledge level. The first reason is they don't have the proper understanding of the subject content. They will just study, they will just try to memorize the things, they will go to the exam, they will fail the exam. Simple as that. The reason you are failing because you don't have the proper understanding. In management accounting subject, the questions that they are asking will not be straightforward. Using your knowledge, they will try to complicate the questions where students should think and should arrive at the answer. So for you to think and to analyze and to arrive at the answer, you should have the proper understanding of the concepts and the calculation. So first one, make sure to have the proper understanding about understanding, not just memorizing. Understanding about all the calculations and the concepts. And second one, most of the students are sitting for the exam without practicing questions. You got to practice questions. You have revision kits, take the revision kits, practice questions, because when you are doing the questions, you will get lot of learnings. If you didn't get those learnings by practicing the questions, in your final exam, everything will become a new learning for you. So take the revision kits, practice questions. So the second one is the practicing the questions. Third one, most of the students are failing to manage the time in the final exam. Why is that? They have not practiced exam standard questions in the exam condition. So in order to avoid that problem, what I would suggest you, do like maybe 3 mock exams. Time yourself in the exam condition for 2 hours. Do like 3 mock exams, then go to the final exam. You know, in knowledge level, the difficult subject is management accounting subject. So you can pass that hurdle easily if you can focus on these 3 things. First one, have the proper understanding about concepts and the calculations, not just memorizing. Second one, practice questions. From the questions, get the learning. Do the question, look at the answer, get the learning from that. Third one, do mock exams in the exam condition. So if you can do these 3 properly, the chances of failing MA exam is very less. Now don't think this is something which is applicable only for the management accounting subject. So this is applicable for the other subjects as well.